Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Donna Ennis, Director of Diversity Engagement and Program Development at the Georgia Tech Enterprise Innovation Institute. I also serve as Director of the Atlanta MBTA Advanced Manufacturing and Business Centers. And on behalf of the Minority Business Development Agency, or MBDA, the MBDA Center Network, Georgia Tech, our sponsors, stakeholders, and partners, we welcome you to the 5th National MBE Manufacturers Summit's opening reception. It is amazing to me that we are celebrating the 5th summit and hosting our first virtual summit. Our vision of having an annual gathering where MBE manufacturers, partners, and stakeholders can come together was delayed by the worldwide pandemic, but we and our vision was not defeated. We are so pleased to have all of you join us from California, Puerto Rico, New York, Georgia, and many places in between. We opened the summit with our Summit E virtual gathering of the industry's most influential MBE manufacturers, innovators, leaders, and entrepreneurs. This is an opportunity to connect with individuals who are shaping and transforming their industry. The theme of the summit this year is Future Forward, disrupting in the time of uncertainty. And this has been, without a doubt, a time of uncertainty and disruption. Global factors such as the worldwide pandemic, social unrest, human migration, and climate change have dominated the headlines. International supply chains have been disturbed. Businesses large and small have been forced to adapt to changes in buyers' behavior, and many of us have found new ways to get work done and keep moving forward. Over these next 2.5 days, you will hear about the current and future state of key industries, smart manufacturing, the industrial Internet of Things, and cybersecurity, and how all of these factors can help you globally compete and prosper. Through our keynotes, virtual poster wall competition, technology showcase, manufacturing technology tour, and more, we will focus on innovation and technologies that are driving the future of manufacturing. We have a great lineup of speakers and experts ready to share their insights and information with you. Before we continue with our evening, I need to take a few moments to thank the many people and organizations that helped to make this summit a success. First, I'd like to recognize our sponsors. Our founding sponsor is the Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Our center level sponsors are Comcast, EBCO, and Train Technologies. Our bridge builders are Grady Health Systems and the Home Depot, and our summit level sponsors are BMW and Siemens. We want to thank you for investing in this initiative. And again, we thank our 4 supporting partners who helped us develop content and promote the summit: the Georgia Tech Manufacturing Institute, the Healthcare Supplier Diversity Alliance, Next Generation Manufacturing, and Starbucks. Putting this summit together was a new and different experience for me and my staff. From programming to marketing to production, we had a top-notch team that came together to make this virtual summit a reality. I'd like to extend a special thank you to these companies and individuals who guided us and held our hands throughout this process. ISOM Global Strategies, Tawan, Alan, Adrian, Garrett, and all the others, you really rock. Yana and her team at Control Video, thank you for working with our team of neophytes. And Durga of Eventex, thank you for hanging in there with us since the very beginning. The Summit's platform is brought to you by Eventex. I'd also like to thank and recognize our advisory council who continues to provide guidance and support. Louise Connell with BMW, Bill Bernardo with EBCO, Jackie LaCroix of Train Technologies, and Adam Walker of Packaging Solutions. Again, thank you for your help. Our staff has grown, and to all of you, Lauren Roberts, Brandy Nagel, Doreen Kincaid, Anita Davis, Jennifer Pasley, Anthony Jackson, Jamarcus King, Sam Nab, Aisha Jones, and Dr. Billy D. Brown. I really, really appreciate your time, commitment, and energy. During the summit, you will enjoy the poster walk and fast pitch sessions just as in years past. And we'll have the same world-class educational and information sessions and some great networking. but just in a different format. So make sure you post throughout the summit and highlight what you've learned. Look for our hashtags in the chat. Each year, the summit recognizes individuals who have contributed to manufacturing in 3 categories: making a difference, breaking the mold, and legacy. So stay tuned while we prepare to announce the Making a Difference Award. Thank you.